may have heard of our Fetch products, but what are they and what do they do? Keep watching to find out. Fetch transforms how you collect subsea data. Whether you need to monitor the seabed for months or years, Fetch adapts to your needs with customizable sensors and up to 10 years battery life. Even better, you can retrieve your valuable data using uncrewed systems, making your operations more efficient and sustainable. Your Fetch can be configured with an array of different sensors to suit your monitoring applications. Sensor options include high accuracy pressure and temperature. Other sensors can be integrated internally or externally as required. Fetch AZA, which stands for Ambient Zero Ambient, revolutionizes your seabed measurements. You can now record high-resolution data from a self-calibrating sensor down to 7 kilometers depth, for long durations of up to 10 years. All Fetch types come with an integrated high-speed acoustic modem for remote data harvesting, a MEMS inclinometer, an internal temperature sensor to measure battery temperature, a magnetic on-off switch for easy transportation and storage, and a vacuum gauge to measure pressure within the Fetch's housing. Optional configurations include an acoustic release for easy retrieval at the end of your deployment, single or dual battery packs depending on the duration of your deployment, additional sensors such as temperature, a digiquartz pressure sensor, or our AZA self-calibrating option, additional functionality such as acoustic baseline ranging and pressure inverted echo sounder measurements, and MF or LMF transducers depending on your operating depth and environment. So when should you choose a Fetch or a Fetch AZA? The answer lies in the duration and level of accuracy you need from your deployment. Fetch AZA now enables measurements of minute changes in seabed subsidence or tectonic activity with extremely high accuracy. We're talking vertical seabed displacements of less than 1 centimetre per year over long periods. If you don't require such accuracy over time, we recommend you go with the standard Fetch. If you have any questions or would like to know more about Fetch, please check out our website or get in touch via sonardyne.com or your local Sonardyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything new from Sonardyne. Thanks for watching.